The Turkmen people, who have a rich cultural heritage, have made a huge contribution to world culture. Exquisite carpets of the Turkmen people inherited from our ancestors, Keteni fabric, which resembles a flower field, is a unique art of our people. Various patterns, which are the source of the study of our history, make the national costume a unique combination. These national costumes are part of the female image. In the prosperous epoch of powerful state, Turkmen women were able to preserve and increase the treasury of the national costume, takya headdresses, silk dress keteni, red kurta, bride headscarves, and national dons. A resident of the capital, a creative person, Paul Bertolizua, creates outfits of extraordinary beauty. We visited her and saw these works with our own eyes. On the basis of this meeting, this program was recorded and was prepared. The deep meaning, dreams and hopes of their creators are embedded in national embroidery. It's amazing how harmoniously the various patterns are combined on each element of the national costume. Keşte embroidery is an example of ancient needlework. In their best design, embroidery is presented on the wedding dress of a Turkmen girl.
Hormatly prezidentimiň saýatyndan
Handicraft is still held in high esteem in our country. This phenomenon is part of the cultural heritage of our people, and one of the varieties of needlework is embroidery using the Keshte method. In their Turkmenistan, homeland of peace and trust, work continues to preserve the national heritage. My mother taught me this work since childhood. My father created jewelry. In short, we have a creative family. We do work on order. They order us kurta and chabut. Each pattern has its own technique of execution. Sometimes we reinterpret old patterns to get new ones. One of the oldest national values created by our grandmothers is national embroidery made in various ways: bathma, pultama, qayma, keshte, kujma. There are embroideries used to create kurta. If when embroidering patterns on the dresses, threads are used in 3 layers, then when embroidering them, the kurta needs 4 layers. Among the handicrafts of Turkmen women, keshte is considered the most difficult and delicate, as it requires a lot of diligence and patience. The national keshte pattern uses the thinnest thread and is embroidered very tightly. Turkmen women sewed all their outfits by hand. Traditionally, when embroidering patterns, 4 or 5 thread colors are used: 2 shades of red, yellow, white, brown, or black. The handicrafts of Turkmen girls and women are unique. They are true works of art, the embodiment of their beautiful soul, the wealth of the winner world.
Gıdalyň iki görnüşi açyk we ýapyk, sary, ak, goňry we gara, şu renkler el işleriniň, milli ähliňiň öz bolşulygyny görkezýär. Türkmen gelin gyýlarynyň el bejergileri köp türlüdür. Basma, qayma, keşte, köjüme, çygme, iýilme, puhtama, dikin usullary kökatma, ýörmeme, ewsirme.
We would like to express our gratitude to the Sim President for creating such broad opportunities. We wish the leader of the nation sound health, long life, and success in all endeavors.
Hormatly prezidentimiň jany sag bolsun, ömrü uzak bolsun, alyp barýan işleri rowaj alsyn.
Currently, Turkmen girls and women skillfully create modern types of outfits. In order to create a national art, creating beautiful clothes, a natural talent, and striving for perfection is needed. For centuries, this kind of art has been an integral part of the culture of the people, its rich spiritual world. Developing handicrafts, it becomes the spiritual value of the people, and reaching a high level of perfection, it turns into a great art. Products created by the talent and painstaking work of the Turkmen Dergahs, which have absorbed the warmth of the master's hands, turn into high art, captivating people with its beauty. Jewelry made by Turkmen masters delights with their unique elegance. The prosperous epoch of the revival of national traditions, thanks to the care of the president, contemporary art is developing widely. The historical heritage of the people is being deeply studied. Jewelry art, which originates from ancient times, in the era of power and happiness, is improving, creating new forms and styles. When you see our girls and women dressed in keteni of different colors in rich jewelry at the celebrations and holidays of our developing, transforming, beautiful country, you are proud of the Turkmen decorative and applied art. The jewelry worn by women is in harmony with each other. When combined with each other, this jewelry becomes an interactive melody of beauty and harmony. Along with a positive effect on the human body, jewelry serves to make a woman look attractive. Turkmen jewelry art is a kind of art that reveals the secrets of the history of the people. Its mind and spirit has passed down from generation to generation. The national cultural heritage of the Turkmen people, rooted in the depth of millennia, is distinguished by its originality and uniqueness. You don't notice how deeply you think when you admire the wonderful patterns of the embroidery kurta. There is a great mystery in the patterns. We inherited it from our grandmothers. The handicrafts of Turkmen women are unique. They are true works of art, the embodiment of their beautiful soul, the wealth of the winner world. The patterns reflect all the twists and turns of the author's state of mind, help to look into the most secret, hidden from others, but only for those who cannot figure it out. In any handicraft product of Turkmen women, one can see a wide outlook of girls and women, the wealth of their souls, cordiality and beauty.